Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Hexagon. It's a hexagon shape, kids. We are drawing hexagon. Hexagon. It's a circle. Circle shape, kids. Circle. Now we are drawing a square. It's a square shape, kids. A square. It's a right triangle shape, kids. Right triangle. Right triangle. Now we are drawing diamond shape, kids. It's a diamond shape. What is this? Diamond. It's an oval shape, kids. It's called oval. Oval. Let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, deep olive green color, deep olive green color, old red color, old red color, chestnut brown color, chestnut brown color, brick brown color, brick brown color, forest green color, forest green color. Let's learn 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, square, rectangle, diamond, oval. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.